Started day 2.
It's a Honda?
Hell yeah!
OMG, I thought it was a Harley.
Nope, this one is a beautiful Harley.
Yeah. Well, my uncle, he was, they call Angels on Wheels.
Yeah?
He was a cop, and he was a CHP.
Yeah?
And, they had a bike, and they would pull their trailers and go all over and camp and do good deeds.
Yeah.
But he had I don't know, it might have been a Honda.
Yeah.
But it was like this, and then they pulled their little trailer, but it had TV and radio.
Oh, wow.
And everything on it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's a Harley Street Glide.
Oh.
Yeah, Harley makes a lot of beautiful bikes, and this one's called the Street Glide.
Street Glide.
Very popular if you want to do like cruising, you know, like long distance riding. Or
yeah.
bar hopping. Or bar hopping.
Oh, God. I don't drink. No, thank you. I killed myself.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice. And here's a Honda, huh?
Yeah.
You got TV and radio and everything?
It's got stereo, it's got
Man,
yeah.
what do you listen to?
Oh shit, everything. I like
99.7 Alice
one's that?
Cooper.
Oh, Alice Cooper? Oh hell yeah.
Yeah.
He's really good.
I know.
I like every kind of music.
Yeah, me too. But
Except for that real hard grunge, that like banging.
oh, that rap or that.
Rap's pretty good, but like this,
Yeah.
you can't even understand.
Oh.
And everybody's out there doing this.
Yeah, my son's a rapper, and he's on tour, and I'm like, oh, you're supposed to come see me on the weekend. That was 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
You know.
What'd you guys think? We watch, what's his name? 40 Times Around, and he did a video on going to Kings Canyon, and he said it was, I hope I'm not getting this wrong, but he said it was like in his top 5 places to go visit, or in California. So anyway, so wow, you know, that's pretty good. So we're gonna go check it out. This is so cool. Looks like it was an old gas station at one time. Old truck. But it wouldn't take much to get that going.
They're highly sought after, you know?
Guys, let us know.
They're like 40.
We're thinking this is an Apache truck, a GMC Apache. And if it is, it's worth 10 grandish. I think with the wood bumper, that'll be at least 11 grand.
Minimum.
I think somebody was shooting at him. Got a radiator leak. That gas station's in a little town called Lemon Cove. Cool ass little town.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. Might makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned.
That road is beat to shit right there. You see that? You smart,
That 10 mile an hour, they're not kidding when they say 10 mile an hour. Woo!
Come around there, I was like, look how far we got that.
What did you say was rubbing? You think was rubbing?
Oh, it's
This guy. Look at you, you fuck. Look at that.
See,
Exxon.
you would think it's this.
Yeah.
Oh, it is. Here, you can see where I'm scraping that down. But I thought it would be this right here, but it's not rubbing. It's down
That's real riding right there. You can see it on that side?
there. Yeah, a little. Well, actually, you can see where I'm hitting.
Yeah.
I'm taking that off, but it's hitting right here, which is scaring me.
Yeah, because that won't flex, huh?
No, that means I'm getting pushed over.
Yeah.
But it's taking that off.
This bad boy here, this took some damage. But that's nothing. If you're hitting this shit in here, I don't know if that's possible. You think it is?
Shouldn't be. Well, I lowered my rear. And
This'll
I
hit.
think that's what's doing it.
Yeah.
If I'm hitting that, that's freaking.
If you're hitting that, you're leaning over like a madman.
You can feel it.
You can? You can see it, probably.
Yeah, so let's look on the video.
Yeah. That just means that we got a professional rider here.
Guy getting lucky.
But these here, I'm running Dunlap Elite 4s. Phenomenal tires, nice and soft on the sides. They don't last super long. They only go maybe 7,000, 8,000 maybe.
Really?
Maybe. They're not a ton. Every year I'm buying new tires.
You know those are Michelin Commander 2s, and I just put them on.
You like
10,000
them?
miles ago. So far, they seem good.
Look
They
like
seem
they're
to hold
holding.
really well,
Yeah.
and they seem to do really good in rain too.
Hand in tight turns from yesterday.
Yeah, tight turns they do.
Exxon and I were just talking about our Vegas trip. One night we went out for dinner at this, I can't remember, burger place. If you don't eat your meal, you have to be spanked and by the waitress. And they didn't just lightly tap you, like spank you. They fucking like crushed your hiney. What's up there? Oh, there's like, is there a place to eat up there?
3 miles ahead.
3 miles? Cool tattoo.
Thank you. You guys are good to go in. My system's down, so I don't need a pass or anything.
Ooh, really? Oh, I thought it was because we're like cool. Nope, we're not cool.
Devil's too smiles like an angel, but don't be fooled. Might wear a tuxedo or a sequin gown, wolf in sheep's clothing.
They got a restaurant behind this place. Okay, we got ourselves an absolute, this looks good. Yeah. Got some kind of pasta, chicken salad sandwich. What'd you get? Oh, a little chef salad?
Mm-hmm.
And some crackers and so healthy. Look at you.
My meat and cheese.
So tell us about the waterfall. Is there a waterfall? What's your name? Hi. You storing up for winter? You been on vacation? We're on vacation.
You got the BG show. That's a BG. She's a fan of the channel. No. But you guys are from where?
North Carolina.
Raleigh,
Raleigh,
North Carolina.
area, North Carolina.
How hot is it down there right now?
Oh, it's hot. It's in the 80s.
Humid?
Humid.
Yes.
Hot and humid, yeah.
This
Unlike
is
here.
nice, yeah.
Unlike here, yeah.
And where are you guys off to next?
To the canyon.
Down to this way?
Canyon, this way, 180. On
180?
180, yeah.
You guys gonna check out, what is it, Bear?
Bear Falls.
Bear Falls?
Bear Falls, yes.
That's what we're going to. I hope there's water. I don't know.
We just spoke to the lady there. She
Yeah?
said there's water.
Okay.
Yeah, she said there's water there.
So what's the best part of your trip so far? Tell everybody in the motorcycle land.
The best part of
Her
this
50th
trip,
birthday
my
on
50th
Tuesday.
Oh!
22nd June. Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thank you.
How about
was
you?
my 50th.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is the whole driving. I'm the one that rides the most.
You like driving?
Driving, yeah.
Right on.
Like that windy road. If
Oh.
I drove, she wouldn't be able to stomach that.
You'd be going like 2 miles an hour,
Or she'd be braking.
pushing on the floor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that why you guys took the trip? Was for your birthday?
Yeah, it was for my birthday and her birthday, which is coming up on the 4th. But
Oh, really?
the
I'm a
4th
1st of July baby.
Are you turning 23?
Oh, yeah.
No, 32.
I want to turn 33 too.
Oh, hey, want to go on a bike ride?
I'm going to bike ride.
General Grant tree is 40 feet across at the base, 107 feet in diameter. I don't even remember how tall it was, but it's the 3rd largest tree in the world. You can't even see all the way up there.
How beautiful is that? Grizzly Falls right there. I bet during the spring when the snow's melting. Yeah.
YouTube, Mom. She has no clue.
And you got to point. You got to kind of point at it.
It's like the picture that goes up for the YouTube photo.
Yeah.
Like the video, you know, like a
You mean
highlight
like-
picture.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Shoot a shot. I'm coming in hot. Coming in hot. Shoot that. Hey, why not? Yeah, coming in hot. Just like the
It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I mean, you're gonna get in another line when we go in the cavern. So, if anybody's hard of hearing, they're probably the ones that need to be next to me. But I don't usually say that.
Look at this. We've been on this trail for a minute. I'm tired. I gotta get in the gym. But look at this view.
Sure, it isn't mandatory. You don't have to go down that way, but it's a lot of fun, even without water. 2 things that might sway your opinion. One, it's self-guided. I'm not down there with you, so that is a bonus any way you look at it, right? It's considered an intimate cavern, meaning it's close to us. We bend, we stoop, we shimmy, we shuffle, we bump our heads. A lot of our steps and walkways are cut right out of the cavern itself. And when there wasn't enough room, they used cement like here. I pictured Boyden's Day, he probably had planks laying around his bridges because he was a lumberman and he had access to that, so.
Those are stalactites, right? 40,000 years old right there. Look at that. It does. It kind of looks like a squid hanging there.
Oh, wow.
This here is called the wedding cake. Look at that. 60,000 years old.
Look at what Nemo does.
That's cool.
Blackout and I release it to the stream bed.
Made it up that first part.
That is so cool.
I bet you that's cool.
Wow. Look at this, rocks. Holy hell, I think we went down the wrong vein. Yeah, we're going down. We lost the crew. We don't know where everybody is. We're running low on food and water.
My camera's foggy. My battery's almost dead.
Yeah. And we've heard some rocks collapsing above us. Way up there.
You ever watch that movie Troglodytes?
Uh-uh.
There's another good one if you like games.
Oh, really? Look at that.
Oh, are we going in that? No.
There's some timber down in there.
Ah.
You see that?
Wow.
I wonder if he tried to go in there and it collapsed.
That would be crazy.
There's some kind of wire or something right here.
Oh, yeah.
See, there's like,
That is cool.
like something they tried to make down there.
I wonder if you just found him this time.
Yeah. Whoa.
I wonder if this was his old bedroom.
Okay. They found some cables that had been buried here for millions of years. Oh, we made it out.
Am I supposed to shut this and lock it?
Yeah.
Right then, a rock fell down right in front of their car as they were driving.
Oh, you
And it went underneath it.
Yeah.
We do have rock. I'm sure you saw the signs where rock slides.
It's right there. Be careful if you drive that way.
Okay. You want us to go down the road a ways and then call?
Oh my God, that would be awesome if you can.
Okay.
reach
They
there.
have payphones at Cedar Grove, I know that.
Okay.
Can you imagine? We just didn't expect something gonna happen like this.
That's like a 1 in a million trillion thing.
I
That,
know. You always think about, oh, something like this happened, but not to me. It
Yeah.
some happened to him, to them.
and
you
it
know.
came like a rock right off
It's
the
right
wall.
in front of us, like that.
But we're gonna go make some phone calls to get him out of here. You ready?
I save the sun from rainy day. I'll just close my eyes and wish it away. I brave the desert from a bitter heart in my feet, strength in my toes.
We're racing. We're racing. I'm starting to go.
I met an angel who started to cry. She said, your love is fake, you're gonna die.
Can I get you anything else?
God, no, that looks really good. Chili relleno, beans, Spanish rice, flour tortillas. Look at that. What'd you get? You got a combo?
Yeah, I got the chili relleno and then I think the salsa verde enchilada.
Yeah, yeah.
This is the first time I've ever had a chili relleno, and now I'm regretting not ever ordering it.
I can run through Alfonso's kitchen. Should I run back there and be like, oh, these are the members? Tonight on Alfonso's kitchen, we've got Christina over here. Christina, what are you doing?
So you keep hearing our damn orders.
Yeah, it happens.
You said it to go. I got like one burrito.
Oh my god.
Going down to Alfonso's Highway. What do you think? Okay. Alfonso's Highway in Corsco, California.
3-foot burrito for the last 32 years.
I think Mom needs to be over here.
Yeah.
You have a 3-foot burrito
I
too?
used to do radio and that was fun. I could do that because it was just like I was talking.
That's how big that burrito is.
Alfonso's.
That is huge.
You guys can do it.
Where's
Yeah,
the
just
button?
do it. It's already going.
It's already recording? Oh my god.
that, is it?
Oh,
Okay. Come on down to Alfonso's Hideaway in Corsico, California, home of the 3-foot burrito and the world famous chili relleno. I can't wait to see you.
Oh, that was good.
Ditto.
Yay!
Alfonso Jr.
I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna dox myself any further.
This place, great people. Come on down here, get down here and have a drink. It was fun. I wish I could say that they paid us to say that, but they didn't. And it was damn good food.
It was amazing food.
Okay guys, thanks for coming with us today. This is a wrap. It's midnight and we're done with the pool. See you guys tomorrow and see you on the next ride. Oh my God.
Not a body.
Don't look this way. But we think there's either a dead body in those bags or Exxon thinks there's a leg or two.
Yeah, I'm thinking positive. It's not a dead body. It's just a leg. Maybe a forearm.
I mean, if you look at it, just look at it right there around the corner right there. They're just kind of, they didn't hide it very well.
Yeah, see the leg. You can see the big toe.
Let's go see.